Welcome back to this Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer a project to client here in Webflow. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Webflow, I need you to click the sign up option, and from there just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Transferring a Webflow project to a client account is a straightforward process because that means you are allowing the client to have full control and ownership of their project, including access to all features and settings. Now, I want you to go to the homepage of your Webflow and choose the project that you wanted to share with. For example, this one right here, I'm going to click on the three dots or the three ellipsis buttons and click the settings option. What will happen is you would have an icon here that says transfer. All you're gonna do is click on that in here. Now you see that there's gonna be two tabs. One is to a user and one is to a workspace. All right, for example, to a user, transferring and these guides will unpublish the site and remove all the custom domains. So you have to be aware of it because Adobe fonts will not transfer over. And once you transfer the site, you will not be able to make edits or access and these guides anymore. All right, because for example, the client is planning to upgrade or downgrade their Webflow plan based on their needs without needing to go through you, because they can now manage their own hosting, domain settings, and content without relying on a third party. Because if it marked the official handover of the project for your client, signaling that their project is complete and they are now responsible for its ongoing maintenance. All they're gonna do is type in the email address of the new owner or the client. Maybe you're looking to addyguide@outlook.com. Once you've done that, you should make sure that all the data has been backed up. All right, so that you can allow to focus on new projects or other clients by transferring completed projects to their account. Of course, it would lessen your administrative burden by shifting the management and billing responsibilities to the client. And all they're gonna do is click the transfer to Andy's guides. Now, if in any case you are encountering any issues or trouble transferring the project to a client here on the Webflow, I highly suggest you go to the Webflow Support Center. Type in your question to see if you get an answer. All right. If you don't, click on the Get Support. All right. And from here, type in your message. You can upload files like a supplementary information, or you can start screen recording so that the technical support will give you insights and troubleshooting steps depending on the problem you are encountering, especially transferring the project to a client here in Webflow. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.